Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create mask layer video editing using a VN Video Editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we're going to open up the VN Video Editor app and then we're going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project and then choose the video that you want to edit. I'm going to select one of the videos from my gallery. I'm going to go to the download album, this one, go to the video section, and this is the video I want to edit. We can select the video and then select next. And now the video has been imported to my project. And then you can choose the aspect ratio that you want to apply. And for me, I'm going to choose this aspect ratio. Okay, and then the second one guys, we're going to duplicate this video. I'm going to go to the duplicate menu, tap on your video, and then you will see all these options and choose duplicate. And then we're going to make the second video as an overlay. So you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the PIP track, and then you're going to move the video here. Okay, and then wait, I'm going to crop the video. Okay, I'm going to apply this ratio and then click on the check mark. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in like this, and then we can customize it. I'm going to go to the mask menu, select mask, select the linear mask, and then you're going to adjust the feather. Okay, like this, and then you can make it bigger, and then you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. You can make it smaller or bigger, it's up to you. Okay, and I'm going to play it. Okay, and this is the result. All right, and then you can export your video. You can click on this export button, and I recommend you to choose the best resolution and click on export to save it to your device. All right. And okay guys, that's all the way to create mask layer video editing using a VN Video Editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!